Welcome to this beautifully updated end-unit townhouse, featuring recent renovations including a new master bathroom, fresh paint, and plush carpeting. With a charming brick exterior and an inviting ambience, this home stands out in the sought-after neighborhood. Inside, the main level boasts hardwood flooring, connecting a spacious dining room, family room, and a Trex deck with a fenced yard, perfect for outdoor enjoyment. The kitchen, with granite countertops and stainless steel appliances, flows seamlessly. Upstairs, 4 bedrooms with vaulted ceilings offer an airy feel. The primary bedroom impresses with a custom closet and ensuite bathroom. Another full bathroom serves 2 additional bedrooms. The lower level presents a cozy rec room, bedroom, and full bath. A fenced patio and 1-car garage enhance the appeal. Conveniently located near Route 395, Route 495, and Route 66, this townhouse offers easy access to DC and the Pentagon, ideal for commuters. Don't miss out on owning this upgraded end-unit townhouse in a fantastic location. Schedule a showing today. Please contact Ronnie at 7038998999 for more information.